Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I'm Martina, and today I will walk you through the art of giving money as a gift. If you think about it, we gift people we care about usually for birthdays, Christmas, weddings, babies' births, proms, anniversaries, and the list goes on. It's not always easy to find a proper gift, and it's not about you not trying hard enough. If you want it to be a surprise, it's even harder. We all know that giving a keepsake over money is a common preference. After all, there's something special about receiving a physical present. Before trashing cash as a thoughtful gift, let's consider the recipient's perspective. Some may have their eye on a specific item, like a designer bag or a new motorbike, while others may be saving for a special treat without jeopardizing family budget. Or they can be in a stage of life where they don't want anything physical, because they are about to move, go to university, take a gap year for volunteering or traveling, and they are unsure what waits for them around the corner. And don't forget, we live in unprecedented times. From running out of a pandemic to several war conflicts around the world and unpredictable climate changes causing natural disasters. Some people just want to save the extra cash for bad days or pay the mortgage or student loans. So, let's face it, sometimes money is the perfect gift. It doesn't have to be boring, and you don't have to be unthoughtful just tossing an envelope. Today, I'm excited to share with you no less than 15 creative and classy ways to give money as a gift. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Number 1. Money in balloons. To do this, simply insert bills or coins into balloons before inflating them. The recipient then has the excitement of popping the balloons to reveal their surprise cash gift. It adds an element of anticipation and joy to the gift-giving experience, making it memorable and enjoyable for both the giver and the recipient. Number 2. Origami. Origami involves folding paper into intricate shapes and designs, creating beautiful and delicate creations. It's a timeless art form that requires patience and precision, resulting in unique and personalized gifts. You can use banknotes instead of paper, or just slip them here and there into your creation. Number 3. Globe. A globe is not only a symbol of exploration and adventure, but also a practical and educational gift for passionate travelers. You can slip the banknotes or coins inside. Even empty, it will make elegant decoration or a learning aid. Number 4. Chocolate. Chocolate is a classic and indulgent gift that delights the senses. Remove the chocolate bar or candies and replace it with cash. It will look like a very low-key present, but an even bigger surprise after opening. Just hope the big chocolate lover won't be disappointed. Number 5. Book. A book is a timeless gift that offers knowledge, entertainment, and inspiration. Pick a book according to your loved one's interests. For example, investing, traveler guide, cooking, crafting, novel, drama, history, and slip the banknotes into it. I'm sure the book will be finished fast. Number 6. Puzzle. Puzzles are not only entertaining but also stimulating and challenging. They come in various forms, so try to find one that can hold some surprise when solved. A sense of accomplishment will be boosted by a nice, unexpected reward. Number 7. Treasure box. A treasure box is a magical and mysterious gift that sparks the imagination. It's a place to store precious keepsakes. Fill it with cash, and when it runs out, it can serve to store sentimental items or small trinkets collected over time. Number 8. Hunt game. A hunt game is an exciting and interactive gift that encourages exploration and adventure. Make it a treasure hunt following clues with the real treasure at the end. Everybody can join the fun and create unique memories from the celebration. Number 9. Bouquet. A bouquet is a timeless and elegant gift. You can craft one yourself using banknotes instead of paper, or buy an arrangement suitable to add banknotes inside. It's all down to your skills. Number 10. Piggy bank. A piggy bank is not only a practical gift, but also a symbol of saving and financial responsibility. It encourages the recipient to save money and work towards their goals, whether it's a dream vacation or a rainy day fund. Fill it with money for a good start. Number 11. First aid kit. A handy first aid kit for actual or aspiring medical staff, mom or dad of a family, clumsy person, or grandparents with a house full of grandchildren can be a funny way to express your care. Fill it with cash and add a few essential supplies for addressing minor injuries and emergencies, ensuring peace of mind at home or on the go. Number 12. Emergency kit. A framed emergency kit saying, "In case of an emergency, break the glass," can contain a roll of banknotes and other essentials based on the recipient's taste or preferences. You will make no mistake if you add a chocolate bar, matches, chewing gum, power bank, headache pills, toothbrush, mints, important phone numbers. The list is endless. Number 13. Many cardboard boxes. Put the coins or notes into the smallest one, all together into the bigger one and the bigger one. You can add as many as you want. The recipient will have lots of fun unpacking, and the boxes can later serve for storage. I'm sure people who like to organize their space will appreciate it. Number 14. Beautiful jar. A beautiful jar filled with a mix of coins and banknotes is a creative and visually appealing way to give cash as a gift. It adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to the traditional gift of money, making it a thoughtful and memorable gesture. Plus, the recipient can use the jar as a decorative piece or repurpose it for future use. Number 15. Photo album. Nowadays, we are used to snapping everything with our phones and have thousands of digital photographs. A photo album is a heartfelt and sentimental gift that preserves cherished memories of you and the recipient. Make sure to keep space for banknotes instead of photos here and there. Coming to an end, it's not a bad idea to simply ask what someone wants as the present. Don't forget it might not be comfortable for somebody to ask for a cash present, so if you sense it is the case, simply offer such an option. And one last practical advice. If the money is unexpected, very well hidden, or the recipient is preoccupied, make sure it will not get lost. I've seen the situation when the bride didn't notice cash in flowers she got, and it could end at the tomb. Fortunately, an attentive bridesmaid saved it. I hope you found these ideas inspiring and that they add a touch of class to your next gift-giving occasion. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on etiquette and grace. See you soon in another video. Until next time.